Good morning. निद्र लेदन कहीं निद्र ले पाल के Good morning. Enter your register numbers in message box. Okay, still many are sleeping, I hope, because weather is like that. I'll start. So I told you already 3 problems. One is called knapsack problem, second one is called the assignment, third one is called the transportation. So already I told you knapsack problem. I told you to solve one problem also. How much you got answers?
Sir, 45, sir. Arjun, sir.
45, huh?
42, sir.
Okay. Previous solution, previous problem, how much you got?
65, sir.
Now you which combinations you got it? Double is equal to 10 means which one you got it? Combinations? Which combinations you got answer? Arjun. Which combinations you got it? Spurti. Hello?
Sir.
See, previous problem I got the
Sir,
combination. First one is called, let me complete it. 4 and 5, weights 4 and 5 I got it. Weights is the W is equal to 9, V is equal to 65. I got corresponding values I've added. So like this, what are the combinations you have got it now?
Sir,
7 you might have taken, no? 42 means without 7 also you should have taken 1, no?
Sir, what is the final answer?
No, I didn't solve the problem.
Yeah, sir, like last combination is W is equal to 7, V is equal to 42, sir. Like
V is equal to 42.
Yes, sir, same, but the final answer, optimal solution is 42.
First one is 7 only, you have taken W, that's all, huh?
yes, sir, and like capacity is 10 minus W is 7. Okay, 3 will get, sir, there. V value is 42 plus 3, it will become 45.
Then 42 plus the 7 plus 3 is 10, 42 plus 12 also you will get it.
Minus, sir, it is W minus like capacity minus W.
Okay.
10
Okay. But
minus 7,
anyway, we'll
30.
see. We'll discuss later. Huh? So now I'll solve this one more problem. Otherwise, the time may not be sufficient. Huh? Right. Assignment. Solve assignment problem. Solve the assignment problem for the following. Write it. Person
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
now is shared. Hello.
Yes sir, visible.
Write it. Assignment. Solve the assignment problem for the following. Person A jobs 1, 2, 3, 4. Person A, B, C, D. Person A is nothing but 9, 2, 7, 8. Second row is 6, 4, 3, 7. C is equal to 5, 8, 1, 8. 7, 6, 9, 4. Right. Persons A, B, C, D. So jobs are 1, 2, 3, 4. Copied? Copied all of you?
Yes, sir.
Solve the assignment problem for the following. See, here is the intention is you have the 4 persons are there and 4 jobs are there. So which job to assign to which person to get the optimal solutions, to get the required solutions. That means what? I'm having the 4 persons. If I assign which job to which person, they are able to execute that perfectly without any mistakes or without any problems. So for example, here also, when we are conducting any functions, for example, in the department, for let me say first year inauguration function. So now you have third semester students are there, fifth semester students are there. In that we'll be selecting 5 to 6 people only. We'll assign one job to one person. Maybe decoration one person, or getting the items is one person, or conducting one person. So maybe many are there, but still I'll be assigning one job to one person to execute perfectly. That's all here also. So you have the how to assign the job to particular person. That is what you need to do it here. So that means what? Suppose if you are the project manager or head of the department, whatever it may be, so you have some of the jobs you have to assign to your subordinates. So when you are assigning subordinates, you will see that this job to be executed without any problems. That's what if you are the boss, you have to take care. So when you are the boss, you have to take care. Suppose if I am assigning to this person, compulsory he will be executing these problems without any problems. So that is how to assign this one. Now write the solution. One, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So write the values once again. 9, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 1, 8, 7, 6, 9, 4. So as it is, you have written the values once. Now we need to calculate the lower bound. We need to calculate the lower bound. So your intention is you have to assign one row, one job to one person only. So each row and each column to be executed, and you have to assign one job to one person. Now, in a first row, which is the minimum value? 2. Second row minimum value is 3. Third row is minimum value is equal to 1, and D is equal D in that row, which is the minimum, is nothing but the 4. So first one is nothing but here is 2, 3, 1, 4. You have to take which is the minimum values right at the lower bound. So you don't bother for that each row, each column, you have to get it one, all the conditions. Now you are not bothering. So when you are solving, you will be taking care of that. Now which is the minimum values, each row we need to find out. So each row is nothing but the first row is nothing but 2, second row is nothing but 3, third row is nothing but 1, fourth row is nothing but 4. That's what you will be writing here now. Lower bound is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to how much?
10, sir.
10.
How much?
10, sir.
10.
10, sir.
10. So some textbooks, if you see it, you go for row wise or column wise. Now we went for the row wise. Now you can go for the column wise also. So column wise, which is the minimum? First column
5.
5, right? 5. Second column
2.
2. Third column 1. Fourth column 1. How much now? 7 plus
12.
8 plus
Total.
4, 12. This is called the column. So you can solve this problem both the ways. One is called the row wise, one is called the column wise. Which one you want, you can go ahead. I'll be going with the row wise. Okay? Are you getting what I'm saying? So here two values we have calculated. One is called the row wise, one is the column wise. Row wise is nothing but which is the minimum 2. Another one is called here second row is 3, third row is 1, and fourth row is 4. So that is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Now the other way of solving also, you can solve it. First column, which is the minimum, that is called 5. Second row, second column, which is the minimum, that is called 2. Third column, which is the minimum, 1. And fourth column, which is the minimum, 4. So you can go either this way or this way, but I will be doing normally row wise. Now we'll move to the row wise. Right. So now start row wise will be going lower bound, that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Start lower bound is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Now we'll be taking a is equal to 1. So you have the options. How to solve it is nothing but here is we have the, for example, now I'll be taking a is equal to 1 value, a is next is a is equal to 2, a is equal to 3, a is equal to 4. All combinations will be going. That's what I told you. You have more than one solution for every problem. Now a is equal to 1, you take, you solve the remaining values. A is equal to 2, you take, solve the remaining values. A is equal to 3, you take, solve the remaining values. A is equal to 4, you take, solve the remaining values. So now write it here. A is equal to 1. We have to calculate the lower bound. A is equal to 1. Take the values. We need to calculate the lower bound values also. Alright, 1 second, listen here. When you take lower bound a is equal to 1, now what is the a is equal to 1 initially in your table?
9, sir.
9. You have to write the 9 here. Next row onwards, same thing, whatever you have taken the row wise, which is the minimum. Second one is called 3, and fourth one is called the 1, and fourth row is nothing but the 4. Now what is the value? Listen here. That's what I told you here.
17, sir.
1 second. Are you getting what I'm saying? First one, you take it this, and remaining values as it is, whatever you have done lower bound, you go ahead. Second one is nothing but you take this and remaining as it is. Third one, you take it, remaining as it is. Fourth one, you take it and remaining as it is. First one, a is equal to 1, have taken. The second row onwards, which is the minimum, which the next third row, which is the minimum, fourth row, which is the minimum, as it is. Whatever you have calculated the first step. Now you got the values is nothing but how much? 9 plus 3, 12.
17, sir.
17.
Sir, that next page. Write it 17. Right. Now a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. So it is not visible to 2. This is nothing but 1. Pen problem, yeah. So now a is equal to 2, you take it. Right. Now a is equal to 2 means what I have to do is, now what is the first row minimum? 2, sir.
Yeah, a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 means this one. So this value only. What is the a is equal to 2 now?
2 only, sir.
A is equal to 2. What is the value? 2. So now write it to 2. Next 3 as it is, next 1 as it is, and 4 as it is. What is the lower bound value now? 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4.
10, sir.
10. Are you getting what I'm saying here? A is equal to 2 means that one to be taken here, remaining as it is in this one. Next 2. Third one. A is equal to 3. Now tell me. A is equal to 3 means which one to be taken? Which one to be taken?
7.
Sir, 7. Eh?
Tell me now. 7 plus.
3
Tell me
plus
the
1
remaining
plus 4, sir.
values. Huh?
3 plus 1 plus 4.
3 plus 1 plus 4. How much?
15.
15.
Now, fourth one. Tell me now. A is equal to 4 means that value to be taken. 8. Remaining.
3 plus 1 plus
3 plus 1 plus 4.
1 plus
How much?
equals 16. 16.
16. Write it here.
Sir,
8 plus 3
17.
plus 1 plus
Sir,
4.
17 it is.
Huh?
17 it is.
8 plus
8 plus 3 is
3
12.
plus
12
1
plus
plus
5 is 17.
4 alva. Minimum is 4 only, no? So this one only we are changing. This A is equal to 1 means this value will be taking. A is equal to 2 means this one. A is equal to 3 means this. A is equal to 4 means this. Remaining values as it is in first step. So 3, 1, 4 only. Remaining also 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4. Now what will happen? 8 plus 3, 11, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. That is called the first step. Now, second step, examination also you have to rewrite it because they are giving 10 marks. No, don't write it in the first step itself. Write the start. This is called 0 iteration. Lower bound is equal to 10. And when A is equal to 1, lower bound is equal to 17. This is called the 1. Now 2 is nothing but A is equal to 2, lower bound is equal to 10. 3, A is equal to 3, lower bound is equal to 15. I am copying as it is the previous step, that's all. Next, fourth one, A is equal to 4, lower bound is equal to 16. Whatever we have done last step, have rewritten it. That's all. Because here also some of the values, this is called 1, 2, 3, 4. Just instead of lower bound 79 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, I have written directly lower bound is equal to 7. Now, which is the minimum in this? That means when you are assigning the job, if you are assigning to first person, 17 minutes is taking for, let us assume that. A is equal to 2, 10 minutes. A is equal to 3, 15 minutes. A is equal to 4, 16. So, or you are spending the cost also. So, if you are assigning to this person, he is 70 rupees expenditure. A is equal to 2 means 10 rupees expenditure. A is equal to 3 means 15 rupees expenditure. A is equal to 4 means 16 expenditure. Which one you like now?
A2. 10, sir.
2, write it, this one. So now you have to do it the remaining steps. Now A is equal to 2, you have taken. Now the B person you have to take it. Now you have the option B is equal to 1. That is called the first one. Listen 1 second here. The next one is each, I told you when you are going to the last stage, each row, each column, one person, only one job to be assigned now. So in this case, what will happen? Now A is B is equal to 1 you have taken. Already you have taken this combination you have taken. Now this row cannot be taken now. So this column cannot be taken. So now you have to leave it. B is equal to 2, we cannot assign. Now B is equal to 3, B is equal to 7 only can be assigned. That is what the fifth one. And sixth one is called the B is equal to 3. Now seventh one is called B is equal to 4. Are you getting what I'm saying? So A is equal to 2 you have taken. So remaining options only you have to go for that. You can assign the remaining jobs. That column cannot be assigned now. So B is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. We can assign it now. Now B is equal to 1 means just one value. Listen here. Or copy the table. Copied? Now just one value, listen here. Now lower bound is equal to, already we have taken A is equal, this when you are coming from here to here. Now first row is nothing but already you have taken A is equal to 2. That value is to be written here now, 2. Okay, 2 value plus. Now listen here, first one, this one to be taken, A is equal to 2. For all the values, you can, for all the boxes, first value to be 2 only. Here also 2, here also 2 only. So now lower bound is equal to 2 you have taken. Now next one is called B is equal to 1 you have taken. Now B is equal to 1 means what is the value here? 6. So that 6 to be taken here. Write it here 6. The remaining rows as it is, because we are considering now second row only, third row, fourth row still we have not considered. So we'll go to the next step, that one to consider third row and fourth column. So so that is the reason first row, second row to be taken as it is, and third row, fourth row, previously whatever you have taken, you can be take it here also. Now 8, 9, 13. Any doubt to write this step? Once again I'll tell you, listen here. First one is A is equal to 2 you have taken. Next B is equal to 1. So A is equal to 2 means value also 2 only. B is equal to 1 means 6. So even you can see it here. A is equal to 2 means you have taken this. B is equal to 1 means this value to be taken here. Now remaining as it is, 1 plus 4, that is equal to 13. The similarly you have to write it. B is equal to 3 also, B is equal to 4 also. Pawan is there? Pawan. Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Tell me now. This one. First one is A is equal to 2. Next is second row B is equal to 3. Lower bound is equal to, tell me.
2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4.
2 plus
3 plus 1
plus 1
plus 4.
Okay. So now come to this step now. So here is A is equal to 2 you have taken, B is equal to this one you have taken. Now that is nothing but the second one is nothing but 1 plus 4. Okay. Next one. Please don't write it. I'll tell you. Second one you tell me, Manjunath, the similarly. Next third box.
2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4.
2 plus 7 plus
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4. Right. And now come here. Lower bound is equal to what you said is this is nothing but the 2. This is nothing but the 3. Correct? No. 2 plus 3. So what they have done is textbook is nothing but one more step. I'll eat it now. I did means so no need to write it here. So now this column you have taken this and this column also you have taken it. Correct now. So now once you take this, Manjunath, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So once you take this jobs one each row, each column, finally we have to get it one only. So now here also B is equal to 2 you have taken, this to be cannot considered. A is equal to 2 means this you have taken, this column to not should not be considered. Now B is second row, B is equal to 3 you have taken, this value you have taken, not to be considered. Now after next step onwards, no need to consider this. So if you are not considering this, if you are not considering this column, what is the minimum values next row, next column? Manjana, this column 2 you have taken, you leave it. This column you have taken 3, you leave it, this also. Now this also you leave it, this also you leave it. Which is the minimum in the remaining third row?
1, 5.
5. Here, fourth row.
4.
4. So you take it this so that we can eliminate one more step. Okay, that is the reason I am telling you. So anyway, final answer we have to take it each row, each column only one only. So we will solve from here only. That step we will take it out. So otherwise, what will happen? One more diagram we have to write it. 2 more steps we have to write it. So that is the reason I will be telling once anyway you have taken this column 2. This column you have taken 3, so remaining only 2 rows you are having, because you have more rows means you can take it one more row, this one. So that is the reason this column cannot be considered. The remaining is you have to consider for C is this one and D is nothing but this one. Now 5 plus 4. Now how much? Manjunath. 5 plus 4, how much?
14.
14. Now the similarly you tell me, Manjunath, this one also. So first one is 2, second one is B is equal to 4.
3, sir.
Sorry, here A is equal to 2 you have taken, B is equal to 4. Fourth job you are assigning second row. Second row value how much?
7.
Then you are telling 3. Next, that columns you leave it out. Whatever you have taken second column and fourth column you leave it. Remaining third row, fourth row, which is the minimum?
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7, right? Now how much?
17.
17. Now which is the minimum?
13.
Huh?
13, sir.
Right. So now we have to take for that, and I'll take one more sheet now. Copied this one, all of you. Copied all of you.
Yes, sir.
See, here is when you are considering this remaining time, next time when you are taking that row, that column should not be taken. Here also same thing. A is equal to 2 you have taken. Next B is equal to 1, that is called 6. Next that column should not be taken. See, now 2 and 6 and remaining values to be taken. So that is what here also. Now second one is 2 and 3 you have taken. Once you take this row and this this column and this column should not be considered for the next values. That is the reason 2, 3 you have taken. Remaining is 5 and 8 is there. 5 is the minimum. That's what you have taken. So next is 4. So when you are taking this, so 2 you have taken, 7 you have taken. Next row you have the remaining is 5 and 1, which is the minimum. 1 you have taken. Next fourth row, which is the minimum, is only 7. So that's what you have entered here also. Now minimum is 13. Now you have to take this. Write it now. Once again you have to write the values. Lower bound is equal to 10. A is equal to 1. Lower bound is equal to 17. First one is A is equal to 2. Lower bound is equal to 10. Next, third one is A is equal to 3. Lower bound is equal to 20. The fourth one is called A is equal to 4. Lower bound is equal to 80. Now, here you have taken. Fifth one is B is equal to 1. Lower bound is equal to 13. Sixth one, B is equal to 3. Lower bound is equal to 14. Seventh one, B is equal to 4. Lower bound is equal to 17. This is nothing but I have copied as it is, that's all. I have copied from the previous table. Here is this one, that one I have copied it as it is. Now you have to take this.
So,
Ah,
sir, A is equals to 3, lower bound is 50, 120.
A is equal to
3, it's 15, sir, lower bound.
sorry.
And even A is equals to 4 also, sir.
Tell me, I have done wrong. 15. Here?
Yes, sir. A is
Here how much?
16, sir.
Next row?
16, sir.
Next is correct. 13, 14, 17. Right. Copy it now. Right. Now tell me here. So this is nothing but the eighth one. Now A is equal to 2 you have taken. B is equal to 1 you have taken. What is the remaining values? C is equal to Arjun. C is equal to. Hello?
C is equals to
Spurti.
3.
Arjun sir.
Arjun. So you have taken what is the remaining values in this table now? A is equal to 2 you have taken and B is equal to 1 you have taken. So now these two you have taken. What is the remaining? C is equal to 3.
1 and 8 sir. That one 3 and 4.
C is equal to 3 you have to take. Once you take C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. That's all. We will finish this here itself. That is called the one option. Write it now. C is equal to 3. So now D is equal to, remaining is that one only. So D is equal to 4. Ninth one. Now what is the reverse way now you take it? C is equal to 3 you have taken. Now another option, last option is C is equal to C is equal to
4.
4.
4.
D is equal to
3.
3. That's it. Now tell me the values directly because already you have taken. No confusion now. In this case, A is equal to 2 means,
Sir, you can't consider D is equals to 3, right, sir?
huh?
D is equals to 3, you can't consider, right, sir?
Why?
In this stage, if C consider, if minimum value if we got in
No,
C,
no, 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 no. One second, 1 second. See, you have taken. So for I cannot see now the diagram. Oh, okay. In Skype, I will see it. No problem. So now A is equal to 2. You have taken. Correct now. First one.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
LB is equal to 10, in that A is equal to 2. Now next one is B is equal to 1 you have taken. Now what you have to do is this column and this column should not be considered now. Now what will happen? What you have, C is equal to, you have to assign 3. First job you are assigning. So once you assign C is equal to 3, the remaining is D is equal to 4 and no other option, no. Because this is this row, this column also over, this column also over. Now you have these two only. One you are assigning C is equal to 3 means D is equal to 4 only. So other option is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. So the last option is nothing but you have the C is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. That's it. Right, Arjun? Hello?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Right. And now tell me the lower bound values. Now A is equal to 2 means what is the value? First one is called 2. Next, B is equal to 1 means 6. C is equal to 3 means 1. D is equal to 4 means 4. How much now? How much?
13 sir.
13. Here, also tell me now. So A is equal to 2. 2 means 2. B is equal to 1 means 6. C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4 means 8. Plus D is equal
9.
to 3.
9.
D is equal to 3 means 9. That is equal to how much now?
25.
25 sir.
25.
25.
25, right. Now which is the minimum? Which is the minimum? LB is equal to
13 sir.
30. So this is what the minimum. This is what you will be writing the solution. This is called the infeasible solution, inferior solution. Okay. Any doubt now? So now from here, this step, we have done correctly. So now this is not the solution. So you have the two options. So now you suppose if you are having the doubt each row, each column, one only to be taken in this case, what you do is in this here also, if you want, you can solve the similar fashion only. Go to the second sheet. Arjun. Arjun.
Yes, sir.
So now A is equal to 3 you have taken. Now the similar fashion, last step what we have done the similar way, if you do it, what is the values, tell me now. In this case, A is equal to 3 means A is equal to 3 you have taken this. Now next row which is the minimum, don't consider this column now. What is the minimum
4 is
values?
a minimum. 4 is a minimum.
7 plus
4.
4 plus the similarly. So that row, that column, don't take it.
7 plus 4 plus
7
5
plus 4
plus
plus
5 plus 4.
So I'll write it the same way so that you will not get any confusion here. 7 plus
4 plus 5 plus 4.
4 plus 5 plus 4. Now
4.
how much?
19, sir.
7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4.
19.
11, 16, 20 I hope.
Why, sir? 11 plus 9, sir. 11 plus 9.
11 plus
Yes, sir.
9 how
20,
much?
20, sorry, sir.
20. Write it 20 now. So that you will not get any confusion. Now the similarly you tell it here also. You have taken 8. Next row is 3. Next is 1. Next one is you have taken 8. This one no 8 you have taken. Next row minimum is 3. Once you take these two columns cannot be taken. Now here is 5 is there. Here is 6 is there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Once you take this, next row is 3. So this column don't consider when you go for the third row. So minimum is 5. Another one is, so remaining is 6. So now change that one also so that you will not have any confusion now. So 8 plus, tell me now, 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. How much now?
Sir, 5 plus 6 it is. How it become 3? 1 plus 6, sir.
Huh?
Sir, in first row, 8 we took.
8
Next,
you have taken, sir. This column cannot be taken later stages. So
yeah, next 3 we took, sir.
3 you took. This column cannot be taken now.
Then 5 plus 6, sir. You wrote 1
5
plus
plus 6. What I have written?
5 plus 6 it should be, sir. You wrote 1 plus 6.
Okay. 8 if I take, 3 I have taken.
Sir, maybe they treat in a column wise.
Hmm? 1 second, 8 plus 3, 8, 3. 1, 6, 8 they have taken, correct. Next is 3. That is what the problem. Okay, correct. What you said is right. Tell me. 8 plus
3 plus 5, 5 plus 6, sir.
8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6.
6.
8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. How much? How much?
23, sir.
23. So now you change it here also. 20 and 23. 20 and 23. All of you change it. This also 20, 23. 5 minutes. Next here also
The
change
answer
it.
is 22, sir.
Huh?
22.
Which one? This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 2, 22. Right, correct. Twenty-two. Here also 22 only. Once if I take paper, scribe arranging is very difficult here. Now here also same thing, write it. So here is 2023. Right, 2023 17. Okay, so that similar same way will be their answers. So you don't bother for the remaining questions, you learn only this much. So that what we have taken is, once you take any column or row, remaining values should not be taken. That's it. That way you solve the second session also, third session also, same way you do it. That's it. Okay, change this 20, this is 23. Here is 20, 22. So that is what you have to do it. Remaining values as it is. 23, 20. Next step also same thing. Spurti, any doubt? Spurti?
Sir,
Huh?
like, yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir, I understood, but I don't know how it again changed to like 20 and 23, sir. There I'm getting doubt again.
20 and 23, na? Okay. So now, final answer what I have told you is each row and each column to be taken only one only. Correct now? Okay. Now I'll come to the first sheet here. So your doubt is now this one. So here is A is equal to 1 you have taken. No. This is no doubt. This is also no doubt. This is you have A is equal to 3. When you have taken A is equal to 3, this one you have taken. This column next time should not be considered. Okay. So which is the minimum second row other than the third column? Spurti.
4, sir.
4. That one only I have taken. Now don't consider the second column for the third row. That means second column and third column should not be considered now. Now which is the minimum? Here 5 is there, 8 is there. Which is the minimum?
5, sir.
5. Next, once you take this column cannot be considered. Remaining is only 4. That means what? 7, 4, 5, 4. That's what you see here. 7, 4, 5, 4. Now A is equal to 4 means 4 you have taken, 8 you have taken. This column cannot be considered for second, third, fourth. So once you take 8, you have 6, 4, 3, which is the minimum. 3 is the minimum. So 8, 3. Now these two columns cannot be considered. Now you have 5, 8, which is the minimum 5. Once you take 5, remaining is this 6 only. So that means what? 7, 3, 5, 6. 7, 3, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, what have solved beginning, that is also okay. No, you can stop that. That is also no problem. Don't worry for that. Anyway, least values cannot be considered. That's it. Either way, you can solve it. No problem. Have told both the cases. Okay. So because you have done here answers is the same way. No, then let it be that also same so that you will not get any confusion. That is the reason I told you. Otherwise, I should have stopped.
In the same way, Sir, in the same way, if you did up for B1, what was the value, sir? B1.
Huh?
Is there
Tell me
changes
again.
any value?
Huh?
Sir, I am Sunil, sir.
Huh?
B1.
B
We
is
taken
equal to
6.
what? Next step.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. B is equals to 1. Solve that one, sir, once.
So once
I'm getting confused.
anyway, time up. We'll see the next class. This one. Let it be, no problem. Once again, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Let it be this, and I'll tell you the next one. Right. So answer the attendance 1. So sir is waiting.
Present, sir.
Answer the attendance 1,
Present, sir.
2, 2, 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 14,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
18, Murali Krishna,
Sir, present, sir.
19, 19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
Sir, 22.
24. Ginger Singh,
Sir,
right.
22.
Present, sir.
25,
Present.
26,
Yes, sir.
27,
Yes, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29, Nilanjan, 30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir. TD series 2, sir.
right, 3, 3, Maithili, 4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6 present,
6,
sir.
7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 12,
12 present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 14, 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18, Spurti, 19,
Sir,
Present, sir.
18 present, sir.
right, madam, 20,
19 present, sir.
90, Srinidhi, okay, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
23, Vinirana.
Present, sir.
What, madam, sleeping morning only?
Sir, I told.
Sir, 1B by 19 present, sir.
Right, madam, you tell after tomorrow.
No,
Huh?
sir, disconnected, sir.
Right, madam, given, right. Okay, so we'll see this problem once again. I'll tell you, don't worry, because anyway you have 1 more month time. No, we can solve it because another 3-4 hours is sufficient to complete it. So this problem I'll tell you once again, no problem if you have doubt. Okay, so bye.